The first change we'll be making is cell range F2 through F11. I'm just going to select that with my mouse, and then I will click on the B for bold up on my toolbar to make those numbers bold in the column for total. Next, we're going to make the cell range C13 through F15 bold as well for the numbers that we'll be putting there using the function key, and make those bold. Next, we're going to start by putting the average, max, and min for each of the categories, starting with reading. So I'm going to start off in cell C13, and I will come up, instead of using the auto sum button, I'll be clicking the little triangle just to the right of it. So click my triangle to the right of the auto sum button, and I will choose average. And I'll get this rotating border, and then I'll click and drag to select cell range C2 through C11. The rotating border should be around C2 through C11. Again, just clicking and dragging, and now I'm going to hit enter, and it gives me the average. I'll use the same process to find the maximum and minimum. The maximum is the largest number in the same set of cells there, so I'll go up to my button, click it, choose max, select the same set of numbers as I did for my average, C2 through C11. Just click and drag, hit enter, and it'll find the largest number from that group. Now I'm going to find the minimum, which would be the smallest number. Choose my min, click and drag to select my cell range, C2 through C11, hit enter, and now I have the smallest number there. Okay, I will go ahead and fill in the rest of these for the math, writing, and total. And as you're doing this, make sure you have the cell selected first where you want to put your function. So I have an active cell, I go up and I choose my average, max, or min, whichever one I'm filling in for that appropriate cell. Again, if this is going too fast, you can always pause the video, go back and rewind. Okay, now we have our average, max, and min all there in bold numbers. Next, we're going to come down to the sheet tabs at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. First thing I'm going to do is create a copy of sheet 1 by right-clicking on it, choose Move or Copy. And that'll bring up the Move or Copy box. And you need to click on where it says Create a Copy, then click OK. And now we have a Sheet 1 number 2 along with Sheet 1. It's just the same duplicate sheet. Now I'm going to rename our sheet by right-clicking on it and then choosing Rename. We'll just right-click, and then you can type in a new name for the sheet, which we're going to call this one Total, then hit Enter. I'm going to rename Sheet 1 by right-clicking, choose Rename, and this time I'm going to call it Last, as in last name for the data in column A. Next, we are going to sort our data, and the first thing we do is to sort our data, this time by last name. We're going to select the cell range, cells A1 through F11. Just click on the word Last, drag over to column F and down to row 11. Then I'm going to go up and click on my data menu, and then come down to sort. Sort by, I want to sort by last name. Make sure you're on last, and we're going to do it in ascending order, and then I will click OK, and it puts all of the people, all the students' names in alphabetical order by last name, and it keeps all of their other first name and scores consistent with that person's last name. Okay, next we're going to come over to total, and we're going to sort this table based on the total scores. I'm going to start again by selecting the same cell address, A1 through F11. Put your mouse up on your data menu, data sort, sort by. This time we're going to sort by total. Hit your little triangle, and you need to scroll to the bottom of the list. Choose total, and this time it's going to be descending. Choose descending, then click OK. And it will sort our data in order in decreasing order from the highest total to the lowest total. Again, you can review this video as you need to. You can pause and rewind it. Just click wherever you need to review from again. And you can see how we did the steps for doing our average, max, and min, and our sorting.